Hi there, Dave with Crandall Office, and today we're going to be showing you how to install the rubber connection piece that holds the back pad on your Steelcase Gesture chair. So let's got it.
Nice.
All right, so to get started here, the first thing we're going to do is actually remove the back pad from the gesture chair. And so to do that, all we're going to do is kind of grab onto the actual pad here and then kind of shimmy it upwards until it kind of pops out. And as soon as it releases, you're going to want to just let it fall forward. Then we're going to kind of push this forward and you're going to release the two rubber pieces that we will be replacing here and then removing and setting aside the back pad. Hey there, just walking through to remind you to like and subscribe. All right, so the next step that we're gonna get to is gonna be actually removing this black piece here. To do that, we're actually gonna take the seat and we're gonna roll it all the way forward. I'm actually gonna remove the seat completely, and I kind of recommend that you do the same. You should be able to accomplish it without removing the seat, but it's gonna make your life a lot easier if you do actually fully remove the seat. You're just gonna have better access. So I'm gonna take the seat off, I'm gonna set that aside. We're then going to take our screwdriver or impact driver with a T20 Torx bit, and we're going to remove these two screws holding this black piece on here. And make sure to grab those screws. And so we're going to set those screws aside for right now. And what we're going to do now is kind of move that back plate out, and you can see that this entire piece will now fall forward. So with that piece falling forward, we're going to grab our replacement rubber piece and we're going to remove this one from there and set that aside. And then we're going to install the new one in its place. Now you do want to make sure that you push this rubber piece into this gap here so that you can see it and grab it from this side. So with that put back into place, we're now going to line up the three tabs that we have here, and so that they're kind of holding this into place. And we will then take our screws and reinstall them into this piece. So you're going to want to make sure that these are tightened but not over tightened. Again, you're going into plastic, so you want to make sure that they're snug but not over tight. You don't want to crack any of the plastic material. But now, as you can see, we've got both of these rubber pieces back ready to install, and we'll move on to the next step. All right, so now with everything reinstalled, we are going to reinstall the seat. All you're going to do is line up these rails here until it slides on, and then put forward pressure on the seat, roll until the seat clips into place. Roll it back and forth a couple of times, make sure everything's functioning properly. I'm going to roll the seat all the way back forward again. It's going to give us better access to install the back. So now we're going to grab the back pad and we're going to lay it in place here, and we're going to grab each of these rubber bungee pieces and connect them to the hooks on the back. So now that it's held in place with the two rubber pieces, we're going to flip this back around, and again we're going to pull upwards on this back pad and line up all these pieces with these tabs here. We're going to just kind of line it up and then allow it to push back down. You'll kind of hear it click into place. The back is now reinstalled and the assembly is complete. Thanks for taking the time to watch this video on how to install the rubber connection piece on your Steelcase Gesture chair. If you found this video helpful, go ahead and click the like and subscribe buttons below. If you've got any questions at all, don't hesitate to reach out to us on our website, crandalloffice.com, our Facebook page. Anywhere you can reach us, we're always here to help. So thanks again for watching, and we'll see you next time. Thanks for taking the time to watch. Hold on, let me start over. I rushed into that. That's probably be a weird edit. Give it a thumbs up.
Holy crap! That was so far. Where did it go?
It's right here. Thanks again for watching, and we'll see you next time.